So you might be trying to figure out how to make those microwave filter TikTok videos that you've been seeing. So basically, they look something like this. They basically just show a video, and they show a photo, and they show a video like this. And they show like the photo being like 3D or something like that, like, being a microwave filter basically. Now to do this in TikTok, you're going to need the TikTok application and the CapCut application as well. So download both TikTok and download CapCut as well. This is CapCut right here. So download both those applications because you're going to need them, and they're back on the App Store, so you can do it now. Then what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and basically search for the microwave filter inside of TikTok. So go inside of TikTok, and you can go ahead and find the microwave filter by just searching microwave filter. I think you can also go on CapCut and search it, but what I do is I just search here, and then I just find a video that has it, and then I can go ahead and click on CapCut. Try this template. So find a video that has that microwave filter. You can also go to my profile page maybe, and even find it that way, but if not, click right here and click on CapCut. Try this template. So what it's going to do when you click on that, it's going to go ahead and jump right into CapCut. So it's going to open this particular feature in CapCut, and then what you want to do is you want to go and click on Use Template in CapCut. So click on there, and then it's going to bring you into CapCut, and it's going to allow you to use this template. So now you want to click on Use Template, and it's going to say something not enough credits left. Now you can only do this one time. So if you don't have enough credits within CapCut, you're going to have to go through and then, basically buy credits, but you can do this at least once, just like how I did it. So go ahead and bring in a photo that you like. So you saw earlier that I had that photo. Hopefully I can still kind of open it up. So if I go here, it's going to allow you to bring in a photo. So select the photo that you want, and then after that, it's going to allow you to bring in that photo. It's going to do this AI thing for like a couple of minutes. It's going to take maybe a minute or two, and then you're going to be able to bring it in, and then it's going to show you like this. So then you can go ahead and add the sound in TikTok if you want to. So you can click on Add Sound in TikTok, and then it's going to go ahead and export it, and then it's going to allow you to upload it straight into TikTok like this. So that's how you do it. It really is basic. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button